Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the viral action figure trend version 3. This time we'll make it look like someone is cleaning or painting their own action figure with a tiny brush. It's super fun, super easy, and we'll be using Gemini Nano Banana tool. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open up your Gemini AI in your device and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image. This one, just tap on it. This is powered by Google News feature Nano Banana, which lets you edit images instantly just by typing prompts. This is the magic tool that will be used for action figure effects. Next, just upload your photo of yourself. Just tap on plus button, this one, and then gallery, and then choose your photo like this. Next, just comes the fun part, writing the prompt. Before, I already made my prompt, this one. You can just copy mine, or you can also adjust it if you want. I will copy my prompt like this, and then just paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, you will see your own mini action figure in your hand, looking like you're painting or cleaning it yourself. And the details with the brush make it look super realistic. This is what makes the trend so viral. Even although in this time the action figure has a clothes that little bit different with the person, I think the overall generates it's still good. And okay, that's it. You have just created the Final Action Figure Trend version 3. And in the next tutorial, I will show you how to animate this image and turn it into a short video. So just stay tuned and see you in the next one.